children. Today we are going to do GK class 3 and the topic is nature and plants. So take out your book, GK book. We are going to do nature and plants, your first chapter, and your page number is 5 and we will solve together. So read the statements given below and identify each. So here are the plants we are going to identify, and then here are your clue box. So answers are here and matching to that we are going to write here. Now first picture, you have your book so you can see it clearly. It is one of the healthiest green vegetables. It is easily available and tastes great. So from here, which is that correct word? The word is broccoli. BROCCOLI. After writing it here, put a tick mark. So you know that this is done. This is over. Now this broccoli we also make salads. Okay. Now next, number 2. It is the oldest living tree in the world. It is standing in California for the past 4,789 years. Okay, we will see to the name. This is Methuselah. Put a tick and write. You can put a number also here. 2. This is 1. And write the name here. Number 2. Methuselah. This tree you will find in Eastern California. Next, number 3. This tree stores up to 1000 liters of water in its trunk. Now, which tree is this? Let's see. And they are found in the regions of, this is number 3. Go up. So you write Baobab. This is found in the regions of Australia, Arabia and mainland Africa. Now the next picture, number 4 is, it is the only food that does not spoil and it tastes sweet. Do you know? Can you recognize which word from here? Let's see. Yes, number 4 is honey. We all like to eat honey and bees produce honey. How do they do it? Huh? All the sugary secretion from the flowers they collect and that is been stored in a wax structure. Here you will see in your book clearly. I don't think so. I'm trying my best to get it zoom. Anyway, from your book you will see honey where it is stored is the honeycombs. Okay, we have done with number 4. Number 5. It is the largest flower with the foulest smell in the world. It was named after Sir Stamford Raffles. So I think with the word Raffles you can get here Rafflesia. That is number 5. So we write down Rafflesia. And very bad smell. It is usually from flower we get good smell, but this flower doesn't have good smell. Okay, next we move to number 6. The one that is left. This tree yields the heaviest wood in the world. And we find this belongs to olive family and we find it in Africa. And the one that is left is number 6 is black ironwood. Your next topic is life in water. So, aquatic animals we are going to see now. Page number 6. Identify these water animals. Take help from the clue box. Now, where is the clue box? In page number 7, you will see here all the names are given. So, we are going to see which is the correct word for that picture. Now, first one. It is the biggest animal in the whole world. It is very heavy, but it can swim fast. It breathes air like us. It loves to eat krill, which is a kind of water animal. And you know which animal is this? This is. It lives for 80 to 90 years. And this animal is whale. Okay, put a tick mark, put 1. Next, let's read this. It looks like an umbrella. Can you see? It looks like an umbrella. It does not have blood and bones in its body. It has lots of arms called tentacles. If you see nicely in your book, you will see all these arms. These are called tentacles, and these tentacles helps this animal to catch food. Okay, and then which animal is this? Let's look for it, the answer. Number 2, jellyfish. So here we write jellyfish. Number 3 now. Let's move to number 3. It is bright orange in color. Look at the fish. It has 3 white stripes on its body. 3 white stripes. It is about the size of a teacup. And it has got a very famous name. Children, you must have seen that movie Finding Nemo. There. So, and the size of this is like 3 inches and grows to 4 inches. And which animal is this? Let's see. Clownfish, number 3. And it is also called as orange clownfish. This is clownfish. Number 4. It has 5 arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like a star. It has a hard skin and special feet that help it stick to rocks inside the water. So, from the shape of it, I think you can get it. Starfish. Number 4 is starfish, or you call it as sea stars. Number 5. It is among the oldest animals in the world. It is a very good hunter because of its sharp eyes and nose. It has a great sense of smell. It swims very fast. So, now that is very common thing. I think you all can write. Yes, your answer is shark. SHARK, and they have got very rough and tight skin. Okay, now number 6. It looks like a small horse. Can you see the shape of it? And also especially the face looks like a horse. Its head looks like a horse. It can be as small as your finger. Its female lays its eggs inside the pouch found on the belly of its male. So the male, small horse, the creature that you see, you will find the female eggs inside their belly, inside the pouch. And which animal is this? By the word, by the shape, you can understand that is number 6, sea horse. Now the last one. It has 8 arms. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a big head. When in danger, it changes its color to hide from its enemies. And the last one that is left in the clue box is octopus. So your answer for this is octopus. So we have done nature and plants, life in water. So what you will do is, there's one think tank here. Name the members of a whale family. So search out this answer and write it here. Thank you, children. I'll see you in my next video.